Hey, Sandy Thompson here with the City of Pittsburgh, and I am just so excited. I just got to do a whole tour of the U.S. Pet Food Company with Scott Glover and his partner, Antoine Albin. And it was just so amazing. We saw the whole process from start to finish. U.S. Pet's a major manufacturer and employer right here in Pittsburgh, Texas, in Kemp County. And we're just so proud to have you guys here in our town and what you bring to our city.
Well, thank you so much, Sandy. I appreciate it. We're really glad to be here in Kemp County in Pittsburgh. It's just such a welcoming community, and I mean, it's close to Mount Pleasant where I live, but it's just been really an amazing experience getting to build the plant here, out in the country, and all the support of the community and the people. It's been a lot of fun. We got a really nice base of business, thankfully, because of relationships from our past experience in the pet industry, and so we've networked that, and we've got a nice base of business, and we're growing. We're probably adding close to 20 new retailers a week that's joining our team. That's across the country. So you can go to our dealer locator and type in your zip code, and you can find your nearest retailer.
Well, one last question before I go. So what was it like dealing with the City of Pittsburgh in your building process and permitting process?
It was actually so nice. It was just really a nice experience. I was first over, Mount Pleasant, and I was trying to build over there, and I actually owned some land, and I went and negotiated with them, trying to work a deal. They were offering me a lot of money to come, and I didn't want any of their money. I just wanted them to leave me alone, really. That was what I wanted. And when I came over to Pittsburgh, I said, we really don't have a lot to offer you, but we can leave you alone. Yeah. And it really has been what has happened. The permitting process was extraordinarily simple, but Pittsburgh, I think because of that, it's growing. I mean, we're in a post-Pilgrim era now, and I didn't know if Pittsburgh would really survive it, because Patty and Bo did so much for the community, even under that nobody ever even knew existed. They continued to support that community, and they brought in billions of dollars. And so, when they're gone, and Carol Shelby, and we lost, we just lost an amazing generation of people right there, and it was hard. But if you go and look at Pittsburgh right now, man, look at all the new businesses that have opened in the last just 3 years, and things are happening. It's really nice to see a community thrive.
Well, Scott, I just want to tell you on behalf of the City of Pittsburgh, thank you for coming to our town. Thank you for building this beautiful facility here and bringing employment to our town and this manufacturing process. And thank you for the tour. This was so much fun. I'll be talking about it for a long time.
Sounds great. Well, thank y'all for coming. We really appreciate it.
Thank you. It's so nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.